morning, parents. Welcome to Kindergarten of Tunas Bangsa Christian School, Greenville. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Revi Setiawan and I am the principal of Kindergarten Tunas Bangsa Christian School, Greenville. In this special moment, I would like to share some information about our school. Vision: to be a model of a high quality and Christ-centered educational institution which bring impact to the educational world. Mission: educating students holistically to have the character of Christ, excellent in competency and leadership, and also to equip other schools in developing character-building curriculums. Learning programs from playgroup until K2. For the learning systems, we use FunGate curriculum. This FunGate curriculum is already established since 1984 and used by several kindergartens in Asia. We have devotion every morning led by homeroom teachers. This is our character stickers. Number 1 is a small stickers. The child will be given a sticker every week if the child can apply the character that is being studied in the class. Number 2 is a big stickers. The child will get big sticker if the small sticker reaches 10 pieces. When the sticker book is full, the child will get a badge of the character that is being studied. This is one of the children's character building assessment program. Because every teacher has to observe the development of child's character every day. So the sticker as a teacher appreciation for the child who can apply it. This is our apparatus that we use in learning. For language, children will learn letter sounds A until Z. Alphabet is a phonics system through rhymes and songs. Read words and sentences, read and write in English. For mathematics, we teach students to recognize the concept of numbers, inclusion, one-to-one correspondence, conservation of number, language math. Science lesson will be held once a week for K1 and K2 students. For playgroup students, science will be held in the second semesters every 2 weeks. For physical activity, from playgroup until K2 are held once a week. From physical activities, we train children to have strong legs and hands muscles. For K1 and K2, there will be computer lessons once a week. For playgroup, will be held in second semester once every 2 weeks. From playgroup until K2, children will also learn Mandarin twice a week. Playgroup until K2 students will also continue to be trained in their creativity and fine motor skill through sticking, cutting, coloring, painting, and so on. We also have extracurricular such as vocal, dance, sports, and art. The extracurricular are held once a week only for K1 and K2 students. We have innovative center rooms. In this room, there are many educational games from FunGates to train children's critical thinking and their creativity. Children will play and learn in this room once a week. Thematical learning methods is a very fun learning. Every month, the children will be taught themes related to everyday life and general knowledge. Here are some photos of children learning about transportation and vegetables. We also often invite parents to participate in some school events such as Christmas and Book Week. These are our school event photos. We do have library once a week. The children allowed to borrow one book every week. Being a blessing is one of our school events where children are taught to share blessing and get to know other children who less fortunate. The goal is for children to understand that they are live in this world to be a blessing for others. Child Development Report Card will be distributed every month, and student-led conference will be held once a year in the second semester. This is our school hours for academic year 2021-2022. Now I will explain our school program during home learning. We still have devotion every day before the lesson. The teachers continues to observe the character development of the child, assisted by parents. Chapel is held on each level once a week through Zoom meeting conference. We still have extracurricular such as vocal, art, and dance. This is live session activities. During home learning, children are also taught to practice life skill at home. We continue to do events online. One-on-one meeting is one of our special program to be more able to establish relationship with students one by one, because here's the opportunity for teachers and students to get to know each other. Sticker and appreciation rewards given to the student every 2 weeks. Home Learning Toolkit. Parents will pick up Home Learning Toolkit to school once 2 weeks. This is our school contact. If you like to see our school, please contact the number below to make an appointment.